So hello everybody, welcome back to Code Arena. I am Amina and today I am going to teach you guys about text shadow. What is text shadow in CSS? So let's get started. Basically I've made two files, index.html and styles.css. Now inside this index.html I'll make a boilerplate with HTML. I'll give the title to text shadow. Okay, and now we will link to styles.css as fast as we can, and after that we'll move to the body section and we'll make the class in h1 tag, or I don't think that we need a class in h1, so I'll just mention here my channel's name, which is Code Arena. Okay, now we'll just go live. Okay, so this is my channel's name, but it's a bit boring, so let's make it more creative. So I'll go to styles.css and I'll target the body, and inside this I'll set the background color to, let's say, black woodwork, because it will look more creative. And after that I'll target h1 tag, and inside this I'll set the color to, let's say, gold color, because it gives more creative look. So this is our final look. Okay, so now we are gonna set the font family to the basic one, which is sans serif, and after that we'll just increase the font size to, let's say, 40 pixels, but 40 pixels is actually too short, so we can put 100 pixels. And now we'll just save this. Now it's a perfect match. So how to center these? So I'll just do here in the body tag display flex, and after that we'll do justify content. Basically display flex helps us to make the text in a row, and justify content is like the text in the middle of the whole page, and now we'll do it in the center. So now we'll just do margin top for, let's say, 400 pixels. Okay, now let's save this. Okay, it's actually too much long for it, so we can decrease it to 200 pixels. Now it's looking in the center, and we'll just increase some more font size to 150 pixels. Let's save this. Okay, I think now it's better. Let's decrease some margin top, so I can just do for 100 pixels. Now it's looking perfect. So we are having this text, but it's a bit boring. So how can we make it a bit creative? Now we'll just do text shadow, and inside this text shadow we'll do 5 pixels for x-axis, 5 pixels for y-axis, and 50 pixels for the blurrity, and we'll do for white smoke color, because it gives a very amazing look. Let's see the result. So this is the final result of our creativity, or else we can do for any color you want. Like, let's say you want the pink color, so here's the final look. So that's it for today, guys. Get your creativity on your computer. Thank you so much for watching.